Hi everyone, I want to welcome you all especially to this week's weekly analysis. In this week's analysis, I'm going to be showing you what I'm seeing in the markets, the market move, the directional bias for the markets. I'm going to be advising on certain things you should do, so you can be able to succeed in the market. And I hope that as you pay attention to all of the instructions I'm going to be giving, that you will do well in this week. The week provides several opportunities. It depends on how much of these opportunities you can take advantage of, and you will have great results. I hope you've been back testing. I hope you've made researches. I hope you're ready for the new week. Let's go straight to the chart. Looking at the DXY, you will see that the DXY is bullish. So I'm paying close attention to see when it gets to this liquidity for a bearish confirmation or a bearish retracement. But until then, DXY is bullish, and so I'm going to be selling GU. As you can see, selling GU and EU for the VIP. So any pair directly with directly proportional to DXY I'll be selling. Tesla is bullish, so I'm going to be looking for the buy entry on Tesla. For GPJPY is bearish, so I'm going to be looking for bearish entry on GJ. Then gold is for the VIP. People USDT is bullish. I'm going to be looking for bullish entries. That's for crypto. And AJ also for Forex. It's bullish. We're looking for bullish entries on it. And then silver is bullish. We're looking for bullish entries on silver. That will be all on the Forex, crypto, CFDs, stocks. Then on the synthetics, the jump 25 is a bit ranging, so I'm going to look closely to see that the range is done. Once the range is done, then I would know what to do. As you can see the range. Sorry, let's look at it from the 4-hour time frame. This is the range. Even though on this range it's bearish, so if I see bearish entries on this, I will go bearish. That's on jump. Then on volatility 25, looks bearish already because it took out this path, so it looks bearish already. So I'll be looking out for bearish entries. Once I'm able to confirm any bearish entry, then we'll be going bearish on that. So that'll be all on the synthetics. Then don't forget, CFDtrading.com is your #1 academy to get you on board and get you excellent in trading. So you can enroll, choose any of our packages, and get on board immediately. If you don't have cash to get on board with subscription, then we have free videos for you. These free videos will help you. Over 450 videos. I think it should be about 500 now, to help equip you in your trading career. They are free. Remember, they're free. The only subscribe package is the course, of which the course is to professionalize your career, so you can start making money from the free videos, and by the time you've made money enough to subscribe to a membership plan, you can now do the courses and start your professional journey. And for one-on-one membership, you also can make money from the free course, and you can come up to the level of having direct one-on-one membership from me. I hope with a few things you've been able to see in the charts, you've been able to understand how to trade in this week. It's going to be an easy week, because market directional bias is so clear, so visible. So don't trade confused. When you're not finding your setups, don't take an entry. Only take entries when you find your setups in the charts. That way you can stay profitable, at least for a very long time. Quickly, I would like to remind you that I will be live 1 p.m. GMT+1. Remember, it's every Mondays. make sure you don't miss that live trading class. It will also help guide you in a few things which I've told you or taught you in this weekly analysis. See you during the weekly live trading class.